Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix black screen on my Roblox iPhone. So look at when I'm open my Roblox, then look at my Roblox is black screen. So I am provide how can fix. So if you want to follow my all process, then I hope you get 100% solution. So at first open your App Store, search at to Roblox and check your Roblox update. So I'm already update my Roblox but not get solution. So you just uninstall your Roblox. At first uninstall your Roblox and reinstall your Roblox. So now I'm already at first uninstall my Roblox and reinstall my Roblox and then try to open, then solve this problem. I hope you can follow my these two tricks, then you get 100% solution.